Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBit. So in this video tutorial we are going to show how we can convert any image to an ASCII art. ASCII art is nothing but you must have seen these images. These images are a combination of symbols and text, and these are very complicated to make if we join them one by one with using as many symbols as possible. So in this tutorial we are going to use Python language for this to ease out the procedure, and we are going to use PyWhatKit library. PyWhatKit library is a very interesting library. I have used this already before on my website. I have this project how to easily automate WhatsApp messages, and also I have this project how to easily convert text to handwritten notes using PyWhatKit. You can check both the projects out. I will leave the link in the description. So continuing to what the topic of today is. Yes, so you first need to install PyWhatKit library. So for that, open your VS Code or whatever editor you use, run the terminal, pip install PyWhatKit just as we install any other library, and hit enter. Since I have already installed this library in my system, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. You can install it this way if you don't have already installed it. So now I can close it, and as you can see I have already made a folder with the name image to asciiart, and it has one index.py and one capture.png. So the capture.png is this image. We are going to work on this image. We are going to convert this into asciiart. So let's get started and just write our code. The code is very simple and it's hardly 2-3 lines. So as we have installed PyWhatKit in our system, I am going to import it. So for that I will write import PyWhatKit as pw, or you can import it as you wish to. I have imported it as pw. Now just to show that what your program does, I am writing converting your given image to ASCII art. Okay, this is completely optional. You can totally omit this step. Now the main line of code is pw. Pw stands for PyWhatKit, as I have already told you. Pw dot. Now it has a ton of methods, but we are focusing today on image to asciiart. So I will write image underscore to underscore ASCII underscore art. Okay, so this is a method of PyWhatKit library, and now it will take a parameter. What parameter? I have to give the name of the file, name of the image that I have to convert. So I will write, so the image that I want to convert is capture.png, so I will just write capture.png. Okay, you can also give a comma and give the path of a text file or the name of the text file that you want the converted image to get stored in. So I am just writing ascii.txt. Okay, don't get confused. This is the capture.png is the image that you want to convert, and ascii.txt is the placeholder or the container in which the converted image will get stored. I am writing print and converted here just to make things really easy and clear. Have a look here, capture.png and index.py. I just have two files here. The code is completed, and now if I run this new terminal python, and the name of the file is index.py, and I hit enter. You see here a new file with the name ascii.txt and pivotkit_dbs.txt. So the focus file is this ascii.txt. Now if I open the ascii.txt, it is this. You see here, we have successfully completed our conversion of a normal image to its corresponding ASCII art. So I would highly suggest you to try it on. That's it for this project. I will leave a link for TechBit in the description box and all the related articles in the description. Make sure to check that out and hit a like if you like this tutorial. Thank you.